Are you ready to break free from the mundane and embrace a thrilling new chapter overseas? In today's video, we reveal the 5 best countries where Americans can get free permanent residency on day 1. Imagine waking up to breathtaking landscapes, immersing yourself in vibrant cultures, and calling a new country home, all while bypassing lengthy immigration hurdles. Whether you're seeking low costs, a relaxed lifestyle, or exciting adventures, we'll guide you to find your perfect relocation spot. Let's dive in. Kicking off the list is Mexico, a fantastic choice for its close proximity to the U.S. and incredible lifestyle opportunities. Mexico welcomes expats with open arms through its simple residency options, especially for retirees and those with a stable income. Imagine a life where $1,500 a month grants you access to awe-inspiring beaches, bustling markets, and savory street food. On top of that, Mexico's affordable yet high-quality healthcare ensures peace of mind. Whether it's the lively urban vibe or serene coastal towns, Mexico offers expats a vibrant and affordable retirement haven. Often flying under the radar, Paraguay boasts an effortless residency program and the option for citizenship within 3 years. Expats appreciate its incredibly low costs, just $1,200 monthly on average, and its heartwarming culture. Picture yourself in a sunny climate, enjoying fresh local foods and connecting with locals who value community. For American expats looking to make a bold move, Paraguay offers an idyllic and affordable new beginning. Imagine waking up to mesmerizing views of the Andes or lush Amazon rainforests. That's Ecuador. This expat-friendly destination is a great spot with its $1,300 monthly living cost and its welcoming residency policies, especially for retirees. With a thriving international community, exceptional healthcare, and some of the world's most diverse geography, Ecuador has it all. Whether you crave bustling cities or nature's tranquility, Ecuador is bound to inspire. Portugal has captured the hearts of many expats with its Golden Visa program, offering near-automatic residency through investments. From the sunlit beaches of the Algarve to historic Lisbon, Portugal combines old-world charm with modern comforts. A monthly budget of $1,800 to $2,200 opens doors to chic cafes, warm neighborhoods, and top-tier healthcare. It's no surprise that Portugal has become a hotspot for Americans seeking a thriving expat community in Europe. And claiming the top spot is Greece, step into a life of beauty and history in Greece, where every corner tells a story. Known for its Golden Visa program, Greece makes securing residency seamless for investors. With gorgeous islands and historic ruins as your backdrop, enjoy a lifestyle costing as little as $1,700 a month. Relish incredible Mediterranean cuisine, unparalleled views, and a tranquil pace of life. Greece continues to charm expats looking for a mix of relaxation and rich culture. So there you have it, the 5 best countries for free permanent residency right away. Comment below, which destination are you packing for? Don't forget to subscribe Top 10 Info for more expert relocation tips and inspiration. Let's make your international dreams a reality. Adventure awaits. Where will you go next?